massive breakout rally was seen in Nasdaq 100 last week. I have told very clearly, see, this is a bullish flag formation and the breakout above 16900 is going to take it till towards 617 250 300 levels. It has beautifully breached 17300 last week. Now what does this mean? Can we expect this rally to continue, or there is a possibility of a retracement from the current levels? What is going to be our strategy trading Nasdaq 100 next week? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. This is a weekly review. I do share twice a day updates on Nasdaq 100. First with the Asia and Europe session, next with the US session. Do watch the daily updates and enjoy the profits. Now, if you're not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel to get the latest updates. Do press the bell icon, and yes, do like, share and comment. Your every like, comment and share is a great motivation to deliver. Let's start first with the monthly charts. And yes, if you're not joined the channel memberships, join the channel memberships and support the effort. Now see, I have very clearly mentioned in the beginning of the year and beginning of the month that yes, this was the monthly retracement, triple bottom rise retracement. 3 red candles means 3 green candles can follow. This is the third green candle in making. Higher lows are done, higher highs are almost there. Now if you just connect the dots here, you can find out where are the highs here. We can look forward to this zone at 17500 17600 levels. Possibilities there. Yes, higher lows, higher highs. Achieving those levels is where we can see it showing a little swings. But yes, it is still not to be treated bearish. Very clearly, we have mentioned this in the beginning of the month itself. Also, what has happened in last couple of months, see, price is retraced towards the 20 period moving average, and moving averages are now also looking upwards. Certainly a bullish sign for the dollar index, sorry, for the Nasdaq 100. And if you look at the stochastic, this has also come to overbought levels here. Yes, it has come to overbought levels, but it is looking upwards and it is still probability for it. See what has happened the last time when it has achieved those levels, it sustained there for a couple of months. Now look at the MACD. MACD on the monthly charts are divergent, are bullish, and I have told earlier in my monthly review, in my annual review, that after the shortfall, it is looking forward to retrace. And MACD on the monthly charts has always seen a bounce back from these, and it is divergent. It is beautifully looking upwards, suggestive of bullishness. RSI looking upwards as well. Coming to the weekly, now see, few weeks back, 4 weeks back, there was a reversal sign with the diminishing bearishness. Price had retraced. Last week it has reversed, and I have very clearly mentioned in our weekly review that once it breaks out beyond 16900, do not think of selling US30. It is going to achieve higher highs, and on the weekly charts, it has precisely achieved the top of the channel. There is still a little room for it to achieve 17600 levels as well before retracing a little on the downside. Now 16900 and 850 levels are going to be the support here on the downside. As long as prices stays above 16850 16960 zone, we are not going to treat US100 as bearish. Be watchful of this. At the same time, now moving averages have started to look upwards. The prices are little divergent from the moving average. What it will try to do, it will take the moving averages further on the upside, make 16800 or 16500 400 as the base, and then try to achieve those levels, most probably in the coming month, not in this month. Yes, it is still looking upwards. The stochastic, after coming out of the overbought zone, now again looking to enter into overbought zone. If you look at the MACD on the week, now look at the MACD on the weekly charts, rise, retracement. What it is trying to do, it can try to form a double top. Means, see, it is already in extremely higher levels. It is trying to retrace a little. Possibility for it to form a double top exists, and from those levels, the fall can be seen. Now, the journey to the double top is what we should wait for, which means that it might take few more weeks, and possibly this month and next month might try to stay in green before looking forward to a reversal. RSI rising. Coming to the daily charts, if you look at the daily charts, see, this was the reversal sign. The rise here formed the flag. I have showcased this in my every analysis every day, that this is still a flag formation, and a breakout here should be bringing more extreme bullish momentum. That is what has happened. We have seen the preceding candle closing flat. This candle closing flat suggests that it can give one more candle which might be slightly smaller, or we can say in fact the bigger can be there, but chances for a bigger candle appears less. Thus a slightly smaller candle might take it till towards possibly 17,500, 550 or 600 levels at max, and from those levels it could try to retest. That is my expectation, that yes, a little further highs can be seen before it looks forward to retrace a little on the downside. Now the 20 period moving average sitting at 16,750, 800, and this complete zone has become the support zone for US 100 for the coming few weeks. Stochastic rising, MACD. Now see MACD on the daily charts crossing over here. This second green candle, and it is continuing to diverge. It could lift the prices little up. What has happened on the MACD? The rise here, the double top, and after the retracement, it is now looking upwards. It could retrace a little before looking downwards. RSI rising as well, certainly a bullish sign. Coming to 4 hour. Now, see, one thing is for sure that Nasdaq 100 is at certainly overvalued levels or overbought levels, not in the terms of just indicators and the charts, but yes, it is certainly at an overvalued levels. But only question is now how far it can stretch the rise, which I see that there is a probability of further. In this month, it may try to move towards 17,600, and in fact, it could stretch the rise a little bit also. And in the coming month as well, let me share a little deeper insights. In the coming month, that is the February month, also might remain in a slight bullish mode where it can achieve the highs before showing a pullback. Thus, I will still recommend you to watch out for not to stay bearish in the Nasdaq 100 for next few weeks, at least 4 to 6 weeks or so. And thus, any drop should be treated as a retracement. We have shared this earlier in my weekly and monthly and annual review. In the January beginning, I had shared my monthly and annual review where I had shared deeper insights. Do watch that as well. And looking at this now, this zone at 17,500, 600 is something for the month of January you should watch out for. And in fact, it can rise further to that. Probably February should be the time where the retracement could start, because see, it is certainly overvalued and I look forward to a retracement. Only thing is how far it can stretch the rise. Right now, on the 4 hour charts, if you look at, yes, moving average is looking upwards, it is looking divergent, it is looking bullish, and see, it is continuing in this bullish channel. On the upside, yes, prices have shown a breakout and now looking upwards. If you look at the stochastic is extremely overbought, it must try to pull the prices little down. MACD is divergent, MACD is bullish. See what a wave it has shown here on the upside. RSI has also come to overbought levels. Now we have seen the charts, we have seen the indicators. Time for me to give you the trading levels and strategy for the coming week. And before I give you the trading levels and strategy, if you want to learn this art of trading, join my 28th mentorship batch commencing on 29th of January. Register yourself now, reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my Signals channel on Telegram. This is a premium Signals channel. There is another channel which is free, where you get the live updates and some details of the market. You can join the free Telegram channel and you can ping me on my personal Telegram for any of your queries, and join the Signals channel to trade as per the signals. And yes, visit the platform www.forexfunda.com where you get the details related to the mentorship batch. Also, you can get the economic calendar there, the live charts with advanced tools, the community is there where you can discuss the topics with your like-minded traders, and also you can book a call with me where you can get one-to-one consultations with respecting your existing positions, existing trades, or a futuristic prediction you want me to make. And this call is completely free if you're part of our webinar series where every Sunday we discuss the nitty-gritties of the markets. First, let's have a look at the levels to buy. I will recommend you to buy now at 17,350 levels. Whenever you see in the coming week, US 100 above 17,350, we can initiate a buying position. We can look forward to 17,443, and after that I will look forward to 17,500 and 17,555, and then 17,610. Now this is the zone where my eyes are set, which is going to provide the next stronger resistance. See, the farther it goes, the chances of a pullback will increase. Yes, the more you stretch something, the more it gets the potential to show a pullback. But remember, the pullback, the breakout is just shown, the breakout is just seen couple of days back. Thus, in all probability, this breakout rally may continue for a while, and thus now 16,800, 900 on the downside should not be taken any point of time should soon. Now, considering this, first beyond 17,600, stay bullish. We are looking forward to 17,729 and then 17,820 levels. After that, 18,000. But this in the coming week, chances for which appears to be very, very less. The farther it goes in the coming week, the stronger will be the pullback, the chances will be there. But by the time it shows a pullback, I think it must have already traveled the distance such that 16,700, 800 becomes a distant. Now, on the downside, a selling entry can be taken here at 17,280 levels. After this, we can look forward to 17,220, which is the first support, 17,180. Now, this is the zone which is going to give very strong support to Nasdaq 100 on the downside. Below 17,180 is where little bearishness to be seen, where we can look forward to 17,060 and then 17,000 levels. Now 17,000 is an important level, 17,000, then 16,960. These two levels are going to play a major role. Below these, yes, you can expect it to drop towards 16,850. 16,850 and below 16,850 is where further bearishness towards 16,700 and lower levels can be seen. Below 16,700, there could be sharper crash. Take your positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do watch the daily updates for twice a day updates rather for Nasdaq 100 to get trade profitably. Register for the mentorship batch. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Register for the Signals channel. And yes, do visit the platform forexwonder.com and do not miss to join the webinar series. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading week ahead.